Morning, guys. All right, guys, good morning. Morning cardio in the books, active rest day, high carb day. You guys already know the deal. Honest work, you can't make it up. You know if you're putting in the work or not. Today was a super sweaty one on the biker gear inside. It's super cold and windy outside. Wasn't gonna run. Been doing some running, assault bike, skier all this week. Some dumbbell, kettlebell work. Haven't done the biker, jumped on here. It was a killer workout. So now I'm gonna hit that post-workout meal in, high carb day today. Again, can't make up hard work and sweat. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, show you guys what it is. Great value gang, baby. Voila, post-workout meal. Done. So quickly, I want to go over my supplement routines. Today, active rest day. Still did cardio. Didn't take all of my normal supplements. What I did instead was creatine pre-workout, a scoop of beets pre-workout, 5-gram beet root extract powder. That's something new I've been incorporating, and honestly, I feel great. Like, my energy's really good. But one thing that I didn't remember was blood flow, and my legs blew up first round on the bike erg. So anyways, that was the pre-workout, 5 grams creatine, and then during 1UP BCAAs, and then post is, as you can see here, scoop of protein powder. Since today is a high carb day, I don't put peanut butter in my oats, so I just have 40 grams of oats, 1 scoop of protein powder, 80 grams of blueberries, and then 15 grams of dried cranberries, just give it like a little texture, crunchy chewiness. Anyways, that's the stack. That's the post-workout, post-cardio meal. And yeah, guys, today's gonna be an informative video. I'm gonna go over a few things today that I wanna talk to you guys about. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Sit back and enjoy. What the heck is all of this? Guess what we're making? Check it out. Oh, that's steamy steam. First actual meal of the day. If you guys don't have one of these, guys, jump on it. We got some sweet potato fries, baby. Again, I'm gonna put you guys onto a pro tip. All right, thank me later. These are the sweet potato fries I used, right? Great value, just regular sweet potato fries. Those are the same sweet potato fries as the Costco Alexia brand, I believe. When you scan it into MyFitnessPal, it shows up as those, and literally can't tell the difference. The other ones just have nicer packaging, that's about it. But we're saving cash, guys. So putting you guys on, thank me later. Cooking up a burger, man, because that's what I'm feeling, and this is the best way to track it. And honestly, it tastes really good. So show you guys the finished result. All right, guys, so the burger patties are 90-10 lean ground beef. Ground beef sirloin, that's what that's looking like, looking juicy. For our buns, these are macro-friendly buns right here, Nature's Own, perfectly crafted, right around 170, and honestly, they're worth it because they taste good. And then I'm gonna use 1 slice of this cheese, cut it in half, and then obviously the 2 patties. It's an 8-ounce patty, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this bad boy, 1 slice of that, 1 pickle. If you guys aren't on pickles, man, they're great for hydration. Not only that, great in flavor. 0 calories, as you guys can see there. Gonna use, I think, half a serving of this bad boy, probably like 5 grams or 10 grams onto my burger bun. Tastes amazing. And then, you know, we gotta have the onions, red onions, baby. Some tomatoes, boom. There's no sugar added ketchup. Some mustard, again, 0 cal, adds tons of flavor. And then just a tiny bit of this sweet baby rice, because this is calorically dense, my friends. So, quick little ingredient rundown. Done. Ooh, looking good, man. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Buns toasting up in there. Go. And everything chopped up. 80 grams. Perfect. All right, guys. 10 grams of the mayo. Oh. We're gonna go about 5 on each. The mayo is bomb.com. Again, this is avocado oil mayo, 10 gramos. Ketchup, a little bit of mustard. Mustard adds intense flavor to that. Next, we're gonna grab 1 boiga. Boom. Next, we're gonna add cheese. We're gonna add 1 tomato, 5 of onions. Boom. Next, boiga. Next, cheese. This is gonna be a big boy, guys. Onions, tomato. Lastly, just a tiny bit of this. Again, it's calorically dense. Boom, dunzo. Now let's smash it. Oh, look at that, guys. Put it on our plate. Boom. with a pickle on the side. Look at that, guys. That looks freaking bomb. First bite, best bite, baby. This is it, baby. Shredded Life 2021, baby. All right, guys, that meal was bomb, guys. I'm finally satisfied. I was super hungry, been needing that high carb day. So if you guys don't know, I do 3 days low carb, 1 day high carb, 2 days low carb, 1 day high carb. Repeat that whole thing. And that's how we're going. We're on, I think this is the 4th week of the mini cut, and weight still hasn't really moved much besides like a pound, 1.2 pounds lost so far, which I'm not really mad about. Just gotta stay consistent, trust the process, because normally I hit like a little wall and then all of a sudden it just goes. But check this out. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Nice little sneak peek. If you guys pause the video or read it, you guys know something that's coming, guys. But you guys are gonna be able to get involved, baby. The Breakfast Club. I want to make this an actual thing for you guys, tangible thing for you guys to be a part of, so you guys can like identify with. You guys can just get stoked about, especially for your workouts, because these workouts are hard, guys. At the end of the day, we're doing something hard voluntarily, and I want to make it super cool for you guys to be a part of it and be proud of it. So check it out. Oh, sneak peek, guys, sneak peek. That's all you're gonna get. Pause it, whatever. Oh, let me know if that looks sick. I'm hyped. Yeah. Oh, let's go lift.
Me voy a matar, este es mi último. Uy.
Maybe that's an excuse to get an assault runner. Just like that, 30-47. All right, guys, simple, effective. You guys saw it there. Literally woke up, changed, came into my garage gym, man. I absolutely love it. I love just being able to have that convenience of, hey, let's go knock this out right now. It might be a little chilly, just turn on a little heater. It was nice and toasty in here, guys. I couldn't complain. Perfect. Get dressed, get in here, 30 minutes, knock it out. You've moved, you've gotten your sweat in, you know you're good on cardio. Just focus on eating good the rest of the day, and then you can have a session later. Something comes up, no worries, you hit cardio already, you moved today, just move back one of your training sessions. But literally just the convenience of having this equipment in your home is awesome. Don't have to go to the gym just to hit the Stairmaster, just to do some cardio. I know a lot of it is like the environment, but I tried my best to make this into a gym environment. So when I walk in here, I'm not feeling like it's like, oh, I'm just like going into my garage. It's not just bare concrete walls. It's like, it looks like a gym. It gets me pumped up. Throw some tunes on. Walk in here, I'm like, dude, this is like my own little functional fitness gym, and it gets me pumped. So I highly urge you guys to do that to your space. Try to make it as gym feel as possible. Makes it feel like you're actually going to a gym. The environment aspect is awesome. So yeah, guys, that's huge pro as to why I built my own home gym. Alright guys, good session. Alright guys, you guys pretty much saw what a typical morning looks like, what some of my meals look like on a high carb day, and now you guys have kind of seen how I go about my training with cardio and stuff. So for me, cardio is just essentially to get me fitter, basically. Like, pretty much do it just to stay fit. I don't know if you guys can see me there, but alright guys, so Having a home gym for me, pretty much just my sanctuary, my getaway place, my place where I can be fully present, de-stress, get my mind off things, but also get my mind right. If I get in here first thing in the morning and I kill a workout, I make sure that it's like one of the hardest, that it's the hardest part of my day, because anything that comes after is a lot easier. And that's bringing me to why I built this home gym. Basically, COVID happened, gyms shut down. There was no way that I was gonna go without working out. I started piecing it together piece by piece. I still did home workouts in literally just a bare garage in my living room, etc. Fast forward a few months, almost like a year and a half now, and this is what it's come to now. I don't even go to the Globo gym or anything, maybe once in a while to get a couples workout with my girlfriend, but basically I built out essentially what the gym was for me in my own home, in my garage. So literally not having to drive, not having to leave my house, and then just going straight back to work or whatever I have to do is amazing, guys. I've had to commute a lot to go to the gym in the past, you know, living that corporate life. My life revolved around like food, gym, work, and that was basically it, just because like the commute times and all of that, and like I take my health seriously, so that's why I did it. But having this in my garage takes care of all of that for me. Quick little backstory, living in Portland, Oregon at the time, wasn't really digging life too much. I was in a very dark place. I don't know, just shitty situation, trying to make the best of it. Anyways, my boss asked me to put together a bunch of gym equipment for him, essentially set up his own little home gym, guys. And I remember like being so pumped about it because it was something I was interested in. They kind of knew I was into fitness, and I'd be thinking like, dang, like, you know, this kind of sucks, but hey, like at least I'm interested in it. I like this, and you know, it's practice for one day when I have my own home gym. Fast forward to now, building out my home gym. It's crazy. Like I had a lot more experience. I planned it out, and yeah, and this is also just like a mini step for the future, because I want to have my own facility eventually, baby. The Breakfast Club training facility, which is in the works, like, you know, the concept, but like just having my own facility is going to be awesome. And this is just a small little stepping stone for that, guys. The journey leading up to this point, guys, has been crazy. It's been slow, it's been fast, it's been scary, it's been fun, because this is something like that I care about, guys. And I know a lot of you guys, whenever you're building out your home gym, you're pretty excited. You're probably like a kid in a candy shop picking out all your equipment and all these things, or maybe you're planning out your home gym and you're like, dang, this is gonna cost so much. You're kind of scared. That's how I was. You know, once you finally start pulling the trigger on purchasing things, it comes to life. It's super exciting. You're getting pumped up. Or maybe you're doing this because fitness isn't like enjoyable for you. But guys, just try to make it enjoyable. Like plan it out, make it super cool. Get equipment that you want to use that's super fun to you. That way you get in here every day, you start crushing it, and as you fall in love with fitness more and more, you can add more pieces that you normally wouldn't have thought that you would have bought, such as an assault bike or maybe like a barbell or something like that. But guys, the journey leading up to this point has been amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy your journey as well. Maybe you haven't embarked on it yet, maybe you're planning on it, maybe you're already midway, maybe you're already done, and like maybe you're just vibing with what I'm saying here. But guys, just plan out an awesome home gym and make it into a space that like feels like the gym environment, that gets you pumped up, that gets you excited, and just go all in, guys. There's literally no excuses. Make this your guys' little sanctuary and just go all in, guys. Like go hard, man. Crave the grind. Get in here in the morning, kill it, go and crush the rest of your day, because you already did something super hard voluntarily on your own, guys. Join the Breakfast Club. Honestly, guys, I think everyone should have a home gym. I think you guys should build out your home gym, especially just now in the times that we're in. Build out like a little home gym, guys, your own little sanctuary. I can't stress it enough. You guys have seen it here. You guys have seen it on previous videos. Build out your home gym. If you guys take one message, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this video, guys. If you guys are new here, my name's Rodrigo. I make at least 2 new videos every week, guys, all around functional fitness, lifestyle, nutrition. You guys don't want to miss it. Next video, we're getting a new toy. We're gonna work out with it, and hope you guys enjoy, and maybe you guys can add it to your home gym as well. It's super inexpensive. You get awesome workouts with it. Very versatile, guys, so stay tuned. You guys know I have to plug you before you leave on all the gym clothes. virusinternational.com, the shorts, the shirt, the sweatbands. virusinternational.com, code SHOTSG10 for 10% off your order. Saves you cash, supports your boy, Breakfast Club, baby. It helps us all grow. Let's go, guys. That's gonna do it. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out this B.